How to use the E21 controller to adjust the bending angle. In the E21 controller, X represents the back gauge dimension, and Y represents the cylinder's Y-axis travel. When we need a larger dimension, we can modify it in XP. For example, input 150 millimeters, and the back gauge will automatically move to position 150. YP 140 millimeters means that after we press the run key, the actual depth of the Y-axis reaches 140 millimeters. We can observe the Y-axis. Suppose after stepping on the foot pedal, the die position is too high and it cannot press down onto the sheet. We can adjust this within the controller. For example, set YP to 150 millimeters so that the upper die can press down to the lower die. Click Run to start the test. The Y-axis begins moving to 150 millimeters. The Y-axis movement is completed. Step on the foot pedal again. Observe the downward stroke depth of the die. Confirm the pressing condition of the die. Suppose a 90-degree bend is required. The current die depth is insufficient. Increase the depth again. Input YP as 160. Click Run. The Y-axis movement is completed. Step on the foot pedal again. Observe the gap between the upper and lower dies. If the die gap looks reasonable, and the gap is greater than the sheet thickness, you can try bending. After bending, fine adjustments can be made. Suppose the bending angle is 95 degrees. Now start fine-tuning. Input YP as 160.2 millimeters. Keep the adjustment range within 0.5 millimeters. Adjustment completed. Start bending. Then check the angle. If the bending angle is too small, you need to increase the Y-axis travel. Suppose the 160.2 millimeter setting produces an 85-degree bend. You can adjust in the opposite direction. Reduce the Y-axis depth. Input YP as 159 millimeters. Start a bending test. Since the E21 has no angle feedback, the adjustment must be done gradually. Continue until the correct angle is achieved.